Welcome to my channel. This is Chad, operator of Smashing Data 42. I have been working on a model view controller framework in PHP. So PHP was my first web development language that I learned back in 2020. Starting in right after everything shut down, I worked on a project at work. It was basically looking at examples online and figuring out how to do things exactly how you would expect a crappy looking PHP project to look like. So I've been upping my skills. I've done some improvements on the project work. I am now working on a real object-oriented model view controller framework. Credit to Freeskills. I guess I should leave a link to his tutorial in the description below. So he got us started on some of these functions for creating forms, like an input block. And I've started to add some things to it. So to give you a little bit of idea what I'm talking about, this is um, the form. So go log in. So it's a full up login register system here. I've added some stuff here, so I'm kind of testing out how to add a select. This is a text area. Add a date. Try to log in. There is form validation, so username is required, password is required. This is on purpose for demonstration purposes. So I want to be able to show that I can pre-populate or repopulate previous selected options for different types of inputs. So if you look at the code, so this is the code for the select box. If you looked at his YouTube videos, you'll be kind of familiar with what's going on. This is what the form looks like. So basically, instead of having a bunch of divs and all that stuff, I'm using functions from a form helper class to create all of the form elements. So I created a text area block, and I've been tinkering around with a input block with a type date to see what kind of types of types that you can support, and of course the select block to show that you can use different types of HTML form inputs. So I'm going to go through this list of stuff, form elements, and I want to start adding support for all different types of stuff. I'm not sure what that is. Data list. Okay, you can select that. Okay. That's going to be very similar to an option select. So what I can probably do is, let's see here. Type. So you have a type. So right now we're using an option. So we need to replace let's see here. This is type. bear with me for a bit. So there you go. Let's see here. Let's go back to our this is the joy of trying to do things while on the spot. Well, forgetting to save will kind of do that. Shoot. Option ID test. All right, so now that's pre-selected. We want to do a data list. So yeah, it's could use some work. Oh, yeah. I know what I need to do. Yeah, something close. But it's kind of cool. You can actually begin to do things, but I think we need to might need to do some tinkering. So because it's not working. But when you have a framework, oh, it makes it easy to start to add stuff to it like that. So I think that's pretty cool. I've added a bunch of more form validation stuff. So go register. Just type in some random stuff. Copy. Nah. Let's do 12 A's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, for 11 for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One or more complex requirements is not all right. For some reason, the length is not doing it right, but an uppercase A, add a one, and at symbol. there you go. You got your complex password checker. Let's see here. That is under register views. I think that's models. I think it's under models. Password must be 12, which is kind of weird. That the rule is not picking up, but that's the joys of programming. You add stuff, you try to prove things. You still need to, you know, tinker around and figure out if there's anything going on. Let's see if the required still. Yeah, so something is not going right. But that's the whole thing of programming. You need to go in and test extensively and try to figure things out to get things to work the way you need it. So I guess that's enough rambling rambling around. I guess that'll be it for this video.